So we just have darshan of Radha Shama Sundar, but they don't allow cameras and phone there inside. This Radha Shama Sundar is the Krishna, the Shama Sundar form of Krishna. It's a self-manifested Murti. It was given by Srimati Radharani herself to Shamananda Pandit, Shamananda Prabhu. Now we are on the way to Radha Damodar Temple. See, this is how they make deities. Radhe Radhe.
राधे राधे फूल मिला दे
Radhe Radhe.
राधे राधे
Mridanga wale, harmonium wale. Hey, Haribol! Haribol!
प्रभु दंडवत
Haribol! Haribol! You are here! Jai ho, Chapal! Jai ho, Haribol, 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 Haribol. How are you? How are you?
I'm good, Nitra Prabhu. I'm good.
Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho!
Nice to see you for so long. Huh?
Yeah.
Where were you?
I just arrived yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yes.
You went to your house, country?
Yeah.
Where?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes.
So you are here for now?
Yeah, for some time.
For some time?
Yes.
Not long?
Not long. I will just take darshan of Radha Damodar.
Okay.
Okay. You.
On 14th you're here?
Yeah.
So please come for the afternoon lunch prashad on 14th.
14th.
Yeah, keep the reminder.
Okay, I will check it. I will check. Yeah. I will check my schedule.
Still working for the Gurukul or not?
Yes, in Nandagan Gurukul. Yeah. This is your shop?
My brother.
Wow, your brother, very nice.
Damodar Music House.
Oh, very good, very
Technically,
good.
even it's not our, it's a Radha Damodar.
Radha Damodar shop, huh? Okay. I will come back later.
Sure.
Okay. I will take darshan first. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.
Okay, so this is Radha Damodar. Radhe. Radhe.
Okay,
ठीक है.
thank you.
So welcome to Radha Damodar Temple. This is where Srila Prabhupada stayed in Vrindavan, before he established the Krishna Balaram Mandir. So Prabhupada stayed here for 5 years.
निधि बन नहीं हो पाएगा
First we will visit Prabhupada's bhajan place.
गुरु श्री राधा दामोदर लाल
की जय.
रानी सरकार की
जय.
श्री गिरिराज महाराज की आप दर्शन कर रहे हैं
Close.
इनका नाम है राधा दामोदर जी की उल्टे हाथ में राधा
So this is the kitchen of Prabhupada when he stayed here in Vrindavan. This is where Prabhupada eats. This is the kitchen of Prabhupada. You see this photo? You see this famous photo of Prabhupada? So this is the place where they took this photo. Prabhupada is sitting right here, and this is where he takes his prasad.
जी स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण ने सनातन गोस्वामी जी को दिया ये 6 गोस्वामी जी हैं
Okay, so this is Prabhupada kitchen. Prabhupada, he takes his prasadam here and he always looks on the window. No? In the window, outside the window is the samadhi of Srila Rupa Goswami and Bhajan Kutir of Rupa Goswami. So Prabhupada is always meditating on the lotus feet of Srila Rupa Goswami. At the backyard of Radha Damodar temple is the Samadhi Mandir of Rupa Goswami in Bhajan place. This Radha Damodar temple was established by Rupa Goswami. This it was established by Srila Jiva Goswami. Yes, this is Srila Jiva Goswami. So Srila Rupa Goswami, he personally curved the murti of Krishna, of Damodar, and gave it to his nephew, Jiva Goswami. So in the middle of the altar is the Radha Damodar murti. So this is Radha Damodar temple. Radhe Radhe.
साढ़ा एक चक्कर हो गया उधरों जाके उधरों घूम के
कोई अलग से चीज नहीं है। वासना परिवर्तित हो जाना, शुद्ध हो जाना है।
ये तू आ जाए कि कहियो मत
आजा बोलो, क्या बात है?
ये सामने खड़ा है ना।
उपासना का मतलब है सीधी सीधी सी बात, यानी पास में। और आसन, उसके पास में आसन बन जाए, उसके समीप जाकर बैठ जाए, यही उपासना है। इसे यहाँ भक्त कह जा रहा है, प्रेमी कह जा रहा है, आप सुन हे हरि मन को साफ करके शुद्ध करके तेरे पास नहीं आता। जैसा मेरा मन था, मनसा मेरी दुनिया की मेरे पास उसी के साथ जैसा था तेरे पास अब मुझे शुद्ध करना, निर्मल करना, भक्ति करना।
Okay, there are lots of stops here in Radha Damodar Mandir. We're gonna tell you one by one. Okay, so here we are. This is the Srila Jiva Goswami Samadhi. So this is the Samadhi of Srila Jiva Goswami. See, this is Srila Jiva Goswami. So Jiva Goswami, he is the nephew of Sanatana Goswami and Rupa Goswami. He established this Radha Damodar temple. And next is the Samadhi Mandir of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is the author of the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Huh? So there are lots of samadhis here from different acharyas. This is the samadhi area of Radha Damodar.
वो अपने मस्त नहीं मस्त है।
So here is something new. So here they put the samadhi of Hansadutta. Hansadutta Das, the disciple of Srila Prabhupada. In Philippines he has some disciples. Huh? So Hansadutta, he has his samadhi here now in Radha Damodar. Acha. So this is the Samadhi of Srila Jayadev Goswami. Jayadev Goswami he composed the Dasis Avatar Stotram. Huh? So this is the Samadhi of Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami. Madhav Goswami Samadhi, Bhakti Balab Tirtha Goswami Samadhi. So there are so many acharyas here. The Samadhi of different acharyas. Radhe 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 Radhe. Then there's another one, Srila Rupa Goswami as well. See? So this is the well used by Srila Rupa Goswami. Huh? See?
माता फोटो मत खींचो भाई, फोटो हाँ कर रहे आप।
Okay. Yes, they have cows inside the temple mandir. They have their own Goshala here. Sisi Panjatatba ki jai ho. Jai ho, Haribol, Haribol. So this is Srila Rupa Goswami. This is the Bhajan Kutir of Srila Rupa Goswami. And this is the Samadhi. This is the Bhajan place, Bhajan Kutir of Rupa Goswami. Huh? This is the Bhajan Kutir of Rupa Goswami. So this place is extremely powerful. Srila Prabhupada stayed in this place in Vrindavan. This is where he prepared before preaching outside of Vrindavan, outside of India. He stayed for 5 years. And Prabhupada said he was empowered by Srila Rupa Goswami. If you read his purports, Prabhupada mentioned that it was Srila Rupa Goswami who was dictating him to write the purports. He always meditated on the lotus feet of Srila Rupa Goswami. And this is the Bhajan, the Samadhi Mandir of Rupa Goswami. You know the Nectar of Extraction book? At the back of the Nectar of Extraction book, you will see the picture of the in front of the cover of the Nectar of Extraction is the Samadhi of Srila Rupa Goswami. So Srila Rupa Goswami, he wrote that book, and he stayed here. He made this place as his bhajan place. So this is the Radha Damodar temple. So we are at the backyard where the Samadhi Mandir of Rupa Goswami and his Bhajan Bukir. So earlier we saw in the altar there are like 4 sets of murtis. No? On the far left is the personal deity of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. It is Sri Radha Vrindavan Chandra. Then next to that is the personal deity of Srila Jiva Goswami, Radha Damodar. That is Sri Radha Damodar. And next to that Sri Radha Damodar is the personal deity of Srila Jayadev Goswami, Sri Radha Madhavji. And on the far right is the personal deity of Srila Bhugarma Goswami. So Bhugarma Goswami is they are the first one who came here in Vrindavan on the instruction of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to rediscover and excavate the lost pastime places of Krishna. So his personal deity is called Sri Radha Kikhanji. So there are 4 sets of Radha Krishna on the altar, on the main altar. As you can see, a lot of people are going around in this temple. So they go around like 4 times or more. Yeah. Yeah. They do parikram, char bar. They are doing parikram like 4 times or more because in the altar of Sri Radha Damodar there is one special Govardhan Shila. So this Govardhan Shila, it was given by Krishna himself to Sanatan Goswami. Because Sanatan Goswami, he has a vow, he has this vow that he will do Govardhan Parikram every day. So when Sanatan Goswami was already old, when he reached the old age, he's still doing the parikram of Govardhan. And he is struggling to finish or to complete the circumambulation of the Govardhan. So one time, Krishna appeared to Sanatan Goswami as a little boy, in disguise of the little boy. And he told Sanatan Goswami, "Hey Baba, you should stop doing Govardhan Parikram because you can hardly walk. You are struggling to walk and finish the Parikrama around Govardhan." But Sanatan Goswami said, you cannot take it away from me because this is my soul. This is my life and soul. This is my seva to Govardhan. I will do Govardhan Parikram until the day I die. So So that is the conviction of Sanatan Goswami. And Sri Krishna, he was so touched by the service attitude, by this seva of Sanatan Goswami. So Krishna, he went to the Govardhan hill and he took one shila, and that shila, Krishna stepped on it. So the footprint of Krishna was imprinted, no, on that Govardhan shila, and also the stick and his flute and a cow's hoof. So he gave it to Sanatan Goswami, and he told Sanatan Goswami that if Sanatan Goswami will do 4 times parikrama of this Govardhan Shila, it's like doing complete Govardhan Parikram. So that is the mercy of Krishna to Sanatan Goswami. And that Govardhan Shila is now being worshipped on the altar of Radha Damodar. That's why devotees here, those people who come here, they do parikrama of the temple at least 4 times. So it's like doing Govardhan Parikram. So we're gonna do some parikrama of the Govardhan by going around the temple 4 times. So by doing this, it's like doing Govardhan Parikram. Jai Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai. So this is the samadhi. This is the samadhi of Bhugarbha Goswami. See? See? So this is the Bhajan Kutir of Srila Prabhupada. So this is the window of Srila Prabhupada, and outside the window of Prabhupada is the Bhajan Kutir and Samadhi of Rupa Goswami. So every day Prabhupada is meditating on Srila Rupa Goswami. He is gaining some inspiration and empowerment from Srila Rupa Goswami. So we are going to do parikrama of the Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. So we are going to walk around 4 times. Band. Haribol, Haribol!
Kabilo, he should also come.
Yes.
Bolo Hare Krishna.
Rama. Hare Krishna.
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे इसको लो ना
Bolo.
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे
Baby ko hit ka lang na, huwag mamakawa.
How many cow down? This is cow down, no?